To set the overall website color scheme, specifically the header and buttons, simply come into Edit Website, Website Pages, click on the Design, Style Editor, and the Style Editor will pull up, which is where you configure all of the default fonts and color scheme used throughout the site. At the top here, you have the header, navigation, background, navigation text, and top bar, which is going to be your top links. So if we're going to have a navigation, we'll turn on a page. So let's just turn on decorated products. If you don't see anything in the navigation, odds are there's no products that are being shown in the menu. But when we do that, you now see that there is a black bar here. So if I come into Design, Style Editor, and then I go into the navigation background, I can go into here and I can make it whatever custom color I want. And then let's say I wanted to change this text color. Well, right here's the navigation text. I can change it. And then let's also apply, maybe we have a hover color. So we'll just do a red, white, and blue. We'll change the hover to a white background. And then the active, so the customer knows what page they are on. We'll just do a custom one. And we'll make it this nice blue. We'll click Save. We can preview it. And you'll see when I hover, it turns white. If I go to the page, it turns blue. Obviously, that's not the prettiest color on color scheme, but it really is that easy to configure the header background color, the navigation color, and then the hover and active settings. Also within the Style Editor, you could configure the fonts used throughout the site. So here in the header settings, it's very easy to control what header font is being used, whether it be the H1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. This is also where you can control the button color schemes. So if I go into a button, I can set the background color, I can set the text color, I can add a roundness to the button, I can control how wide the border is. In this case, we're just using the same color. And then I can do the exact same thing for the hover effect. So if I want to have a different hover color, like this, goes from blue to black, it's very easy.